Here's a question. Are synthetic indices better than a Forex? Are synthetic indices better than a Forex? What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. I'm also curious to hear what you think. By the way, if you want to join us in trading synthetic indices, see the links in the description, in the comment section below. Also, you can use the QR code on the screen if you want to join us in trading synthetic indices. Who knows, you might also start seeing these results that I'm having here. So, are synthetic indices better than Forex? Okay, so in my opinion, synthetic indices are better than Forex for a certain kind of trader, and Forex is better than synthetic indices for a certain kind of trader. Who is the trader that is well suited for synthetic indices? If you are a trader who is always busy during the week and cannot afford to trade Forex during the week, because we know Forex markets are closed during the weekend, then of course synthetic indices are better than Forex for you because they can be traded even during weekends and holidays as well. Then if you are somebody who doesn't have a huge trading capital to start with, if you cannot start with that amount of money that you have in Forex, no broker wants to work with you with that small amount of money that you have. What you can do is switch over to synthetic indices. Scan the link, the QR code on your screen right now, or click on the links in the description box below or in the comment section below. You start with just $10, and you can also start seeing these profits in your synthetic in this trading journey. So if you have low capital, that's a plus. If you are somebody who doesn't want to look at screens for a very long time, synthetic indices can give you good returns. Look at this small movement. This small movement is what has turned my 110 into over $1,000. It's currently on a pullback, but we'll see how it goes. So if you are somebody who doesn't want to sit at the screen for a very long time, you don't want to do the swing trading, you don't want or any other issues, you can make money with synthetic indices. If you hate trading news, if you hate being caught out on the wrong side of news, CPI, non-farm payrolls, and all those stuff that happens with real Forex trading, what you can do is join synthetic indices. Again, the link in the description as well as this QR code on your screen. What do you think? I also want to hear what you think. Is synthetic indices trading better than Forex trading? Let's talk about it in the comment section below.